If Atlanta had its own jingle, how would it sound?
ATL, 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 ATL. Yep. CBS News in the morning, coming to you soon.
It's ATL, shawty. It's ATL. It's ATL, shawty. It's ATL.
ATLANTA.
Okay. Atlanta, where you can make wings and things happen.
We're all singers.
No, we're not.
It's the best of the South and East. It's called ATL.
Home of possibly the worst sporting franchises in the history of the entire world, minus the Georgia Bulldogs.
ATL is cool and swell. Get on the Beltline and run the trail. Yeah.